Manage your money and accounts with a swipe of your finger or a click of a mouse, anytime, anywhere, with Democracy Federal Credit Union's online banking. Before you begin, make sure your email address is on file with the credit union. To get started, visit democracyfcu.org and click on the Login tab. Then click on Register below the login and password fields. Please take a moment to read through the disclosures and click the box next to I agree. Next, click the link Open PDF. When you click this link, a new tab will automatically open in your browser with an access code. Highlight and copy this code or write it down. Return to the registration tab in your browser and paste or type the code where it says Enter Access Code. Then click the Continue button. In order to confirm your identity, enter your member number, social security number, and answer at least 2 of the security questions. Click Continue to go to the next step. Now it's time to pick a unique username you'll use to log in. Your username must be between 8 and 15 characters and contain at least 1 number. You may use a period or an underscore, but no special characters are allowed. Click Check Availability to make sure your username is valid and unique. A temporary password will be generated and sent via text message or to the email we have on file. Choose where you would like the temporary password sent and click Continue. Check your phone or email for the temporary password. Enter it into the password field and click Log In. The next step is to choose your new password. It must be at least 8 characters in length, contain 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 number. Be sure to keep your new password in a safe place and click Continue. Verify your email, phone number, and time zone and click Continue. Congratulations! You're enrolled in Democracy Federal Credit Union's online banking. From here, you can complete your profile, view your accounts, and customize settings to tailor your online banking experience. Thank you for being a valued member of Democracy Federal Credit Union. If you have any issues while registering for online banking, please get in touch with us. We are happy to help.